What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Ghost Henchman from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the headpiece. So I'm gonna draw the part in front of his eye, and I'm gonna draw a line across right there, and then on the side I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn down and to the side, and we're gonna do the same on the left side right there, and I'm gonna make a turn to the back and then turn down and back again, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the side there where his ear is, and then I'm gonna make a turn up to the side and straight up, and from that point I'm gonna draw a semicircle across for the top of his head all the way to the right side, and at this point I'm gonna take this point and draw a line out to the right and make a semicircle turn to the side and turn it back towards the eye, and I'm gonna trace the same outline at this point right here. Now for the eyepiece, I'm gonna take the point on the left here and draw a semicircle on the left corner of the eyepiece, and we're gonna extend it to the right and make another turn with a semicircle on the right corner right there. And now I'm gonna trace the corners on the side inside the eyepiece, and I'm just gonna leave a gap in the middle right there, and on both sides I'm gonna draw a circle, and inside of the circle I'm gonna draw a plus symbol, and we're gonna thicken the cross lines. Now for the mouthpiece, I'm gonna take this point below the eye and draw a line down, and then I'm gonna make a turn with a curved line for the lower point right there and all the way to the right point right there, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn up and turn it to the side on the left, and then I'm gonna make another turn up to the side of the head, and I'm gonna trace this line, the outer line at this point to the side right there, and aligned at this point. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw a line straight across below the eye and semicircle corner on both the left and right side, and a straight line for the lower part of the mouth. And below the mouth, I'm gonna draw 3 stripes, 3 lines down, with the one in the middle being shorter, like that. Now for his ear, we're gonna draw an oval at this corner right here, and from the top point and the lower point, I'm gonna draw a line towards the head and a curved line at the corner up, and in the middle point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line up as well. Now in between the head above the eye, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape and a triangular shape beside that, and we're gonna repeat that on the right side right there. And I'm gonna draw a line in between those 2 shapes and on the left side right there, and then I'm gonna make a turn down. Now below the helmet, I'm gonna draw a line down from the ear to that point right there, and then on the right side, I'm gonna draw a short line right there, and from the sides, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the center on both sides. And then from that point, I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the sides and back up to that corner and turn it upwards, and a semicircle turn on the top portion. Now from that side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down slightly to the center for the color of the suit, and in this corner I'm gonna draw a line out and turn it down and back towards the center, and from this point I'm gonna draw a line out and down, and then I'm gonna copy the same shape for the right side. And beside the color, I'm gonna draw a line out to the shoulder, and we're gonna turn it downwards at the side, and then towards the elbow, and I'm gonna make a turn to the left with a semicircle turn right there. And for the upper line, I'm gonna draw a line to the elbow out and slightly downwards, and from this point a line up and a semicircle turn at that corner. Now on the left side, we're gonna do a similar shape, and this arm will be going above the other arm right there. And for the upper line, I'm going to draw a line across right there and turn it downwards above the wrist, and another one at that point, and a curved line to that corner right there. Now for the lower arm, I'm gonna do a curved line at that end, and another one for the inner shirt and a curved line going below that left arm. Now for his thigh, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the center on both sides below the collar and a curved line in the middle. And from that 2 point, I'm gonna draw a line down, and we're gonna draw a rectangular shape at this point right there. Now below the arms, I'm gonna draw a line from this point down and this point down, and we're gonna flare it slightly outwards below the waist, and I'm gonna make a turn in on both sides, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn upwards to the point below the arms right there. And we're gonna do the same thing for the left side, and the left side would be below the right side of the suit, and a line at this point in a circle for the button. And at the side of the suit, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape for the pockets here, and the same goes to the left side as well. And below the suit, I'm gonna draw a line across at that point, and on the side I'm gonna draw downwards, and I'm gonna make a turn slightly below the knee and curve it out at the bottom. And we're gonna add a curved line at the lower point right there and down. Now on the right side, gonna draw a curved line down all the way to the shoes right there. And in the middle of the pants, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there, and off center I'm gonna draw a curved line as well for the inner line of the pants, and slightly curve it out at the bottom right there, and this side as well. And at the bottom I'm gonna add a few curved lines right there. For the shoes, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line up in a semicircle turn to the side and back down. And in front of the shoes, at this point I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn to the back, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at that point downwards all the way to the heels, and going back to the front we're gonna draw a curved line right there, and a line at the end, and another curved line at that point, and a line at the front. I'm gonna copy the same shape slightly below that, and then in between those two rectangular shape I'm gonna draw a few lines, and we're gonna continue that line all the way to the front and turn it to the side. And I'm gonna continue the line all the way to the front of the shoe and turn it down right there. And from the front tip of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the back right there, and on both the front and the back I'm gonna draw a line down, and then we're gonna repeat the same shape for the base of the shoe to the back point right there. Now for the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and turn it sideways with a semicircle turn and back down on the right side, and I'm gonna draw across the same shape for the strap right there, And at the sides, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn similar to the left shoe, and I'm gonna continue that all the way to this lower point right there and across with a curved line at that point. And we're gonna draw a short line down on both sides and another curved line across for the base of the shoe. Now going back up, I'm gonna draw a line below the belt off center right there, and going back to the face, I'm gonna add the ear on the right side, so I'm gonna add a curved line on this side right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.